Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off OneDrive backup in Windows 11. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my desktop on Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Then go ahead and click on Open. Then you're going to be able to open it. Once you're here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, OneDrive, Desktop, Downloads, and so on. Go ahead and click on OneDrive. Then right click on it. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open in a new tab, open a new window. Here you're going to find the option to always keep on this device, free up space. And lastly, here you're going to find OneDrive. So go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then here you're going to find the option to view online. Here you're going to find settings. And lastly, right here, you're going to find the folder color. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, here in the left, you're going to find the sections. Right here, you're going to find sync and backup, account, notifications. And lastly, here, you're going to find about. So right now, go ahead and click on sync and backup. So basically, guys, once you're here, if you want to turn off backup, just go ahead and click on manage backup. For this option, click on manage backup, and then right here, if you find these options on, go ahead and turn them off. Turn them all off like this, and then once you finish, make sure you click on save changes. If you don't click on save changes, your changes won't be saved. Once you do that, you can also turn off backup for these options, saving photos and videos from devices, and saving screenshots you capture to OneDrive. Make sure you turn these options off, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.